Hey guys, today I will tell you how to create OKX account. So first of all, click on sign up, and then from here select your country from the list, and then click on create account. Now check the box I have read and accept all the terms, and click on accept and continue. Now enter your email address in this provided field. To verify you are not a robot, slide the puzzle piece to complete the image. Okay, now click on sign up. Now check your email for verification code sent by OKX. Okay, copy this code and go back to OKX. Now enter the 6-digit code to verify your email address. Now add your phone number and make sure your country code is selected. Click on next and you will receive a 6-digit code via SMS on your phone. Enter it here to verify your phone number. Now create a strong password. It should be 8 to 32 characters long with at least one lowercase letter, one uppercase letter, one number and one special character. Click on next. Now you will be asked to secure your account with a passkey for better security and faster logins. Choose continue or maybe later to proceed. And that's it, your account is now all set up and created. From here you can verify your identity and deposit funds to start trading. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.